Friends, many Indian families keep gold jewelry in the bank lockers, believing it is the safest place. But very few investors actually understand what protection exists and what does not. The Reserve Bank of India has clearly specified the liability of the bank for valuables stored in the lockers arising out of the circumstances such as fire, theft, building collapse, or frauds committed by the employees. The bank liability is restricted to only 100 times of the annual rent of the locker. So, say if your annual locker rent is 2000 rupees, the bank liability will only be 2 lakhs, which is very inadequate and it will not be able to cover even 16 grams of gold jewelry at the current market price. However, it is important to note that the bank do not insure the contents of your locker by default. They do not know what is stored inside, and there is no automatic insurance cover on your gold jewelry. This means that the responsibility of ensuring the valuables like gold rests with you. So, from an investor point of view, this is not a risk to panic about, but a gap to plan for. So, if gold forms an important part of your family wealth, it does make sense to consider a separate insurance cover for jewelry stored at home or in the bank locker. Well, it adds a layer of financial protection without changing how you store your assets. Friends, the key takeaway is simple. The bank locker offer physical safety, but the financial safety comes from the awareness and planning. So when both are in place, your goal remains truly secure. And remember, your financial journey deserves the right guidance. Follow me to keep learning, growing, and saving smarter.